For this challenge, I decided to make a Kahoot as my study application. So making Kahoots are super easy. So this is one that I just made just now. So if you want to just see what the answers and questions are, you just double click that. Then here are all the questions that I created, and I even added pictures, which that's something I've never done before on Kahoot. So this is super cool and challenging because so first you can send this link to students right here, and they can play this on their device. And also, if I need like a refresher or anything like that, I can click show answers. And here are all the things that the answers I put in there, and the green check mark is the one that is correct. So if you want to play this, all you click is play right here. And get classic, or you can do team mode. Now it's just waiting. So when you want kids to join this, they open kahoot.it, like it says right here, and they type in this number, type in their name, and their name will show up on here, and then they can study with the questions that I made before.